A ribbon banner with the text, "Make good choices." A round animated fish swims with 6 smaller fish.
Did you know that some fish open their mouths to let their babies hide inside as predators swim nearby?
The small fish hide in the large one's mouth as a long fish with an angry expression passes by.
They even manage to do so without accidentally swallowing their babies. Oops!
The large fish releases the small fish from its mouth and smiles. Above the water is a penguin.
Penguins are another animal also known for their ability to care for one another, even when the environment is harsh.
A large group of penguins stand on ice. It is snowing.
When times are tough, penguins unite and triumph.
One penguin has a speech bubble that says, "Unite." The penguins form into a circle, raise their wings, and cheer as a banner with the text, "Triumph," passes underneath.
To protect themselves from icy cold winters, particularly in Antarctica.
A circle with the word "protect" forms around the penguins. They are standing on the continent of Antarctica.
Penguins will huddle as a group to keep warm by sharing body heat.
A red glow pulses around each penguin, then a red circle forms around the group.
This helps protect the flock against wind and cold. They rotate positions so every bird has a better chance of survival. The question for you today is,
A diverse group of smiling boys and girls beneath a banner with text. Are we protecting each other?
are we protecting each other when some people choose to say mean things to others on the internet?
A sad blonde boy is surrounded by spiky speech bubbles with mean expressions.
When kids call each other names or say bad things about someone's looks. When kids text nasty messages.
The animated profile icon of a boy with wavy brown hair and a mean expression with the speech bubble, "You're ugly."
When kids post photos to try to embarrass someone.
He points and laughs at a sad black-haired girl.
Or when friends exclude others from group conversations.
4 kids' profile icons with space for text beside them, one below the other. The black-haired girl is at the bottom. The top 3 kids point sternly and her icon is pushed out to the side, beside the text, "Exclude."
These are all examples of cyberbullying.
The blonde boy and black-haired girl stand with sad expressions, surrounded by the other kids, who are scowling, with their hands on their hips.
If we are seeing these things online, we are known as a bystander.
A freckled boy pops up from behind a laptop screen.
As a bystander, what are we doing when we see this happening to someone that we know?
The blonde boy at his laptop is surrounded by 2 snarling shadows.
You might think that you don't want to get involved. You might be scared.
The freckled boy edges away and hides behind his laptop as the snarling shadows curve over him.
You might think that the bully might start picking on you. These are real concerns that all kids have.
The laptop moves away and a knight's helmet and shield drop down to the boy. He makes a defensive pose against a snarling shadow.
But how can we protect someone, a friend even, when this stuff happens on phones and computers?
The sad black-haired girl is holding her phone. The boy turns to her with a confused expression. A phone screen pops up.
The main thing is, you don't have to approach or communicate with the cyberbully.
Icons of the boy with armor and the snarling shadow.
If you find this hard or scary.
The shadow grows and leans over the boy, who cowers in fear.
But you can do something.
A shield with 2 crossed swords on it. The boy in armor stands with the sad blonde boy.
Ask 2 questions to the person that is receiving the nasty message or threat. So listen very carefully. Ask them, "Are you okay?"
The blonde boy's expression becomes less sad.
Ask them, "Have you told a grown-up?"
The blonde boy shakes his head.
Or maybe you could be the one who helps by telling a grown-up.
The boy in armor nods and looks up at the adults whose feet and legs stand next to him.
An auntie or an uncle. An older sister or brother. Or even your teacher.
A banner with the text, "Make good choices." The black-haired girl and blonde boy stand beside the boy in armor, smiling and holding their phones.
Make good choices online and always be a good friend by being a helpful bystander.
The letters HB, standing for helpful bystander, appear on the boy's shield. A large group of penguins holding mobile phones pops up.
Remember, just like the penguins, every single one of us can make a positive difference and can help make the internet a safe and fun place to play in.
The other boys and girls who were previously bullies are also now smiling and standing in the group among the penguins. The coat of arms of Australia, above text, Australian Government, Office of the Children's eSafety Commissioner. Text, esafety.gov.au.